Hello and welcome back to a little midweek update on a Monday. A little update anyway. The 57 Chevy, again, we've got to say thanks for the great feedback, great response. Every time we put out a video, we're eager to see the response. And it's not just down to the viewing figures, which is great, we really appreciate that, but all of the videos generate a huge amount of feedback, which we really enjoy seeing that, even the negative stuff. Thankfully there's very little, but we do enjoy all the feedback. It means a lot, so thank you. During the 57 video, I said that we had been contacted by the family out in Chicago a few years back when we first got hold of the car. And we've kind of kept in touch. Unfortunately, I've not had a huge amount to show them. But off the back of the video that went out last weekend, Rich Romero, who is the son of the original owner, got in touch and said, I've been meaning to send you this, which we're going to play over now for you. A couple of videos on the car when it left them, which we really appreciate seeing stuff like this. It's great for adding to the history file, as it were. But it also goes to show that the car meant something to the family. It'd been with them for 40, 50 years. Yeah, damn near 50 years. And it was obviously something that meant something to them. Otherwise, you wouldn't capture the departing of something like this on camera. So it's really great. We appreciate that from Rich and the whole Romero family. We see comments from various different members of the family whenever we post something about this video, about this car. So it's obviously something quite dear to them as a family. And I think that reminder, because I've known that pretty much since we got the car, that it meant a great deal to them. But I think that little reminder and the feedback in that video has given us a little bit of a kick to push forward with this. Again, going back to the feedback, it's really great. So many people have sort of bolstered our view that original is the way to go. You'll see through the various videos that we've done before that we're not purists. There's a time and a place for that. We love an original car, but there's also plenty of room in the market for a well thought out, nicely modified car. We quite like the retro rides and the hot rod. Yeah. Horses for courses, but as someone pointed out, there's so few of these are left untouched now, really. So many went down the hot rod route. The retro rides, the word escapes me now, but putting an LS in it, lowering it and things like that, they've all kind of gone that way. The resto mods, thank you Lou, in the back there. So yeah, I'm kind of thinking we're gonna crack on with our original plan of getting this back to how it would have been. Something that's also really nice, actually in the video that Rich sent us, is it came with a black hood, not a white hood. So that was good to see. So many of the ones that we've seen from the period came with a white hood. This had the black one on it. So those little details are really great. We really appreciate that. Again, Rich, thank you very much. We will push on with this. We'll try and get some good progress done this year on the car. And when, let's be optimistic, when that happens this year, we'll do a little video to keep you posted as to how we're moving forward with the car. And yeah, hopefully one day it will see the light of day under its own power. But thanks again for the feedback. Huge thank you to the Romero family. We really appreciate your support with your car. So thanks, and we'll be back with a Porsche 997 video. It's nearly finished, so that'll be coming up this weekend. So thanks, and we'll see you soon.
put it this way, if Gabriel could get up the hill with his dually on his big trailer. That's what our whole theory was.
He don't swing it, and then...
There's plenty of room. Oh. There goes the car.